Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Welcome to e-learning classes. Today I start the topic of matter in our surroundings. First chapter. So today I start of matter in our surroundings. So first things, you know what is matter. So our universe, every material are made of different types of matters. Everything in this universe is made up of material, which scientists have named that is matter, like breathing, food, eat, stones, cloud, all around things that is are matters. Everything is matters, like sand, stone, mountain, plants, everything are that is known as matter. In our previous ancient times, that's human beings in Indian say to Panch Tattva. Our body are made of Panch Tattva. That is say to that Panch Tattva, say to that is air, earth, fire, sky and water. Our body are made of these 5 things. That is name of Panch Tattva. That is name of Panch Tattva. That is air, breathing, earth, soil and fire, and sky and water. These 5 things to made of our body. That is name of Panch Tattva. Some scientists say too that the material which name the matter, that is made up of volume, space, fire, sky, air, water, all thing name given the that is matter. Everything in the universe is made of material. Scientists name that is matter. So again you understand what is matter. In our universe everything is matter. That name say to that is material, to say to scientists say to that is matter. Another point is physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of that is particles. Means every matter are made from different material name, and that is same particle to made of that material. That is say to that is similar types of matter. Means same type of components, same type of particle are combined together. That is made of, that is say to particle is made of, that is say to the material, that is say to matter, and that is a particular name of pure substance. Unpure in mix more than 2 particles, that is unpure. Next topic is characteristic of particles of matters. Means say to what characteristics, means such matter has what characteristics. means such types of property of this particular matter are belongs, that is the depend on their particles, that is depends on their particles. If any particles dissolve in that matter, that is similar particles are mixed together, that is pure matter, and that is different types of particles are mixed, that is the different types, say to that is in solid form, that is in liquid form, that is in say to gaseous form. So different types are formed in present in our universe. So today I discuss the characteristic of particles of matter. So the particles dissolve in different types of material. To such types of material are produced if you take in a solution of water. If taken a solution of water, suppose that I have taken 100 ml of water and mixing the 10 gram of salt. What happened when mixing the 10 gram of salt or 10 gram of sugar or 10 gram of alcohol, that is dissolved in the water? So that is not changes in that of the solution, that weight is similar. What can happen of these things? So that activity are doing. So that is what happened if 10 gram again added the sugar, 10 gram added again the salt in different 2 or 3 types of solution, then not change the his size, means that is the level, not change his level. So what happened? That material, that particles are mixed together, means more space inside of this material, more space are inside of this material. That is characteristic of particle of matter. If some material have potassium permanganate are dilute in that of solution. So 10 ml 100 ml solution are taken, then 10 ml are dissolved, that is the change of color, then again 10 ml of potassium permanganate are dissolved, that is change the again color. So these types of activity are happen in these things. So that is the I say to characteristic of particle of matter, because the more things are absorbed inside that of the matter, because more space, because it is depend on density, it is depends on volume, such types of characteristics of particles. Okay, next classes I discuss the next topic. Okay, thank you.